everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a year since I last shared my video about building my PC. And today we're diving into a few minor updates on my desk setup. First things first, let's take a look at the current state of my desk. As you can see, it's functional but kind of plain and boring. So I'll be adding a few bits of design and organization to my setup. Now I've got a bunch of exciting things to unbox, so let's jump right into it. First thing that I got here is a vinyl sticker and photo paper. Next thing is this cable rack, a fur fabric. I got here a mousepad and keycaps, portable cutter, and some stationery stuffs, pegboard, and accessories. This one is a shoebox, but I'm going to use it for other purpose that you're going to see later on. And lastly, a new mouse. Alright, now that everything is unboxed, let's get to work. I'll be assembling and incorporating these new additions to give my desk a fresh and organized look. The first thing we're going to do is install these shelves I got from IKEA. I'll give you a sneak peek into my shopping adventure and then we'll dive into getting these shelves installed. My IKEA trip was mainly to snag a wardrobe cabinet. Catch the reveal in my next video by subscribing and hitting that like button. Now going back, here's my boyfriend helping me install these shelves. Next up is the pegboard, which is for additional storage and just to add a cool aesthetic touch to the look. By the way guys, all the things that I've purchased are linked below, so if you're interested in buying them, check them out in the description box below. Disclaimer, these are not sponsored. Oh, like this. Last January, I got my PC cleaned. Let's take a look at the process. Alright, we've reached the final stretch of our desk makeover. The shelves and pegboard are up, the cable cords are all organized, and it's time to add the finishing touches that will truly make this space beautiful. I have created some DIY stickers that I've put on my PC fans to give them a more stylish appearance. Here, let's assemble this shoebox. I'll be putting my kpop items here. My light stick, some albums, and some photo cards. Now, introducing a new member to the setup. I had the brown leather mat before and I think it doesn't suit the whole look, so I bought a longer one with lighter color. I have also customized my keyboard by replacing the keycaps, combining white and pink for a unique and stylish look. And last but not the least, this sleek ergonomic mouse from Logitech. As a video editor, I spend a lot of time in front of my computer. Sometimes my wrist hurt, which is why I opted for this mouse. And there you have it, my desk makeover. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss the next adventure. Until then, stay organized and creative. See you in the next one.
No.